Alright, so as we get started, I just want to note that this will be a little bit of a longer lesson, but it is very important that you watch the whole thing because it will help us be successful with our independent reading novels and then also with assignments in class. So we are going to be learning about fictional signposts this week. There are 6 fictional signposts, and we will kind of utilize them as we read our independent novels and as we read short stories throughout the unit. So as you watch this slideshow, please make sure you are taking notes. This will be posted on Schoology, so you can always refer back to this slideshow, but it's very important that you have your notes with you just to make this easier as you utilize these skills inside and outside of class. Also, before we start, I want to know that the purpose of these signposts is to become better readers and kind of start to dig into the text using these skills. So oftentimes we think about analyzing a text, and that seems kind of an obscure idea because we're like, okay, what does analyze mean? What do I have to do to analyze? Signposts help us notice the important moments in a text in order to analyze that text. So please know as you continue on, there will be some questions that you have to answer throughout. This is not solely a listen and take notes slideshow. You will have to answer questions throughout as well.